Sleeveless is the second single, and that's a song from 2014 where I was trying to like play with this idea. It was like the My Bloody Valentine Loveless sort of arrangement where there's like a two parts sort of back and forth over and over again. But then I added some like of these like 5-part Beach Boys harmonies and kind of added some like these sort of like motifs that come into the song. So I was really psyched on how that turned out. And it's a song my friend Tim Wheeler programmed some drums for that song too, back at his studio in New York, like literally over 10 years ago. But it added a cool dimension to the sound where it's like wasn't just acoustic drums, there's like some other sort of sounds happening and almost like beats, I guess. And that song's got a really cool like halftime laid back sort of vibe, which is not always a sound I gravitate towards. Usually it's about being exciting and overwhelming, but that song's kind of overwhelming in a different way where it's got just sort of so many like listening on headphones, there's so many things happening in that song. That's really satisfying to me as a songwriter and a listener.